What's the meaning of coal tar? Coal tar. Coal tar.
Coal tar. Coal tar. Coal tar is a thick, black liquid that is a byproduct of coal processing. It contains many chemicals, including polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, which are known to be cancer-causing. Coal tar is commonly used in products such as pavement sealers, roofing tar, and some cosmetic products. Exposure to coal tar can lead to skin irritation, respiratory problems, and an increased risk of cancer, particularly skin cancer. Because of its harmful effects, efforts are being made to reduce or eliminate the use of coal tar in various industries.